What's going on, everybody? Well, this is the last video for 2023. There will not be another one until 2024. But decided, well, let's just go ahead and do a final tool haul video. From anything from Black Friday or Christmas shopping or gifts or so on and so forth. But nonetheless, go ahead and kick this little thing off right quick while I get good light outside and inside the room. So we'll go ahead and get started with this little thing. This little thing is pretty cool. It's your VersaFlex Flip Lantern plus Spotlight. Cobra Tech. Yeah, I guess the product name is Farpoint. As you can see, it's got 5 different modes on it. Let's see, where's the modes? You got an area light, got a camping light, you got a work light, and you got a spotlight. It says 5 different modes, but I only see 4. Oh, features, 3 adjustable light panels. You got the top beam, adjustable head. You got advanced USB Type-C for fast charging. You can charge your phone off of this little thing. You got the switch. You got toggle modes using light button switch and foldable handles. This, I can see where this thing would come in really handy. For anything, really. That's the top light. That's the flapper thingamadoogers. Let's see. These flaps fold up like this. Pretty cool. It dims it down a little bit. You can use both the flaps and the middle light. I think it's bright. It does have a full charge on it. I did charge it up before I started using it. 1300 lumens. But not a bad little light. Not a bad little light at all.
I think I paid about 20 bucks for it at Lowe's.
Yeah. Find these at any of your Love's truck stops if you're interested in one. So, if you're interested in one, we'll check them out. Not a bad little light. We'll give some more, we'll use it more, and we'll give more in-depth reviews on it as I use it in the future. But so far, so good. Second item I got, it is another light. It's one of those USB rechargeable sensor lights. Goes on top of your head. It is one of those lights you can wave on and off. I've been wanting one of these. It's got this little part LED right here. Then you got your little LED right here. Let's see. Oh, I gotta unplug it before I can turn it on. Oh, okay. Whew. It's got a couple different modes on it. You could dim both of the lights. Let's go ahead and, as you can see, it's got the wave feature. Not a bad little light. It takes USB charger, or USB Type-C, I think. Oh, USB charger. Oh, USB Type-C. Not bad little light. I got the cob at 100%, 2.5 hours. So, I'm going to light it up. Doesn't say how many lumens it is. You can use it for 2.5 to 8 hour runtime depending on the mode you set it on. It is weatherproof, impact resistant, charges 2 to 3 hours. I don't see where it says lumens, so nonetheless, I mean, we'll give this thing a shot and see how it is, see how it works. If it lasts, I'll let y'all know. If it doesn't last, I'll let y'all know. But no matter what, I'll let y'all know how this little light works. If it's a good buy. Alright, I went to Home Depot and Lowe's and stuff like that today. Picked up a set of these knee pads from Milwaukee. It is the Stabilizer Performance knee pads. Item number 48736051. Stabilizer Performance knee pads from Milwaukee. Any of you construction workers or carpenters or anything like that, if you want to keep your knees safe, they so far I'll put them on in the store and they're pretty comfortable to use. Not too bad at all. They are the Milwaukee brand. So as we use these, I'll give more thoughts on them on a later date. Went to Lowe's. That was Home Depot. This was Lowe's. I got the 3-piece adjustable wrench set, the X-frame heavy duty handles design, chrome vanadium steel. It's got your precision threaded adjustable things on there. It's got a laser scale on every one of them. You got the 1-inch all the way up to 25 millimeter, 1 1/4 or up to 31 millimeter, or 1 7/16 or 36 millimeters. So you got both SAE and metric sizes. This is the 6, the 8, and the 10-inch. It is the SK Tools one. It does have a lifetime warranty on it. As you see, it does have a lifetime warranty. So not bad at all. They are made in China. As everybody knows, SK was bought up by a Chinese company. There's not really a lot of faith in them, but in due time, we'll give these things run through a use, and within, I'd say, in the future, we'll see if they're worth the money. I think I paid like 15 or 20 bucks for this set. So not bad. Not bad for the money. Next item, we got the WAL Flex Torque 30-piece bit set. 2 times stronger, superior fit. We got some laser etched screwdriver bits. And these are impact rated. You can use them on a hammer drill too. Let's see. It's the DWAFT 30SETRA set. We'll see if I can get you all over here and get the part number in the video. Sure can. There you go. If y'all want to pause that and get the part number off of it, you're more than welcome. Not bad at all. This little case right here will latch on to your Versa Stack, Trade Stack, or the Tough System 2.0 from DeWalt. So give them a like, give them a look. Alright, next items are in this little bag up here. These items either come from JDTCO on Black Friday, or I got some snap-on items in there that I bought from another YouTuber. Midwest Tool Review. I'll drop his link down in the description below, and also I will drop JDTCO's link down in the description below. Y'all can find either one of them on Instagram, TikTok. I don't think Midwest is on TikTok, but JDTCO's on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Also Facebook. You can find Midwest Tool Review on Instagram or YouTube. But nonetheless, the carrying case is not new. That's old, but that's where all the tools are. We'll go ahead and show the snap-on first. I got the 3/8 flex head snap-on ratchet with the red handle, red hard handle. Part number on that is FHLF08 or FHLFD80A, USA made. As y'all can see, it is USA made. Not bad at all. It is the flex head. Nice, really nice little ratchet. I believe it's pretty much almost brand new. I mean, I'm not going to disclose how much I gave this, but that's one. And y'all are going to lose your cookies over this one. I got the snap-on screwdriver and ratchet combo set. It is the AC Delco Dale Earnhardt 1996 stock car, racing car. Adult collectible, but it's the 1996 Dale Earnhardt 1/24 scale stock car from Snap-on. This thing has never been out of the box or the wrapper. Still in original wrapper. So it's never been out of that wrapper. Still in mint condition. This will go in my office when I get it, up on a shelf for display purposes only. It also came with a snap-on. Looks like 3/8 Dale Earnhardt logo on it, number 3, Snap-on USA. Sealed ratchet, keeps dirt and lubricants in. Do not, says do not use them. And it also came with the ratcheting screwdriver from Dale Earnhardt for the set. It came with a ratcheting screwdriver, probably a 4-in-1 or something like that. 3/8 ratchet and the stock car. Not bad. With a little snap-on sticker. That's what I got from Midwest Tool Review. I'm not going to do 10 different videos for all this. I decided to do one video. End of the year tool video. Alright, these next items I got from JDTCO. Or eBay. I got the 53-piece tire repair kit set from JDTCO. This is his branded. Comes with all your patches, the tools to put the patches in, or tire plugs, little kit with some core valve or Schrader valve tool, got some valve stem caps, the grease you put on the tools to slide it in easily. This came in one of his
That's great.
mystery boxes from this year. He does have his own brand on it. It is branded JDTCO. If y'all want to look this stuff up, let's go on his site and he's got them. The Steelman 50 piece tire plug kit set. This is a box of tire plugs. Oh, look at that. Made in the USA. Proudly stamped made in the USA. Let's see. Second item, or third item from here, was the Mayhew Select stud extractor. Part number on that is 29895. I was actually looking at this last month. So this is just icing on the cake that this came in the mystery box. Next item, tire inflator. You got your the little wheel right there to tell you what PSI is in there. This side hooks onto your valve stem, and you put the hose on this side, but you got to put a thing on there for the hose, for your air hose. So not bad. Goes all the way up to 300 PSI. So not bad for the money. Let's see what's next. What's next? This one. This was the $25 mystery envelope. The 12-piece low profile wrench drive hex set. I believe it is the SAE. Goes from 1/8 all the way up to 5/8. So not bad. I'll go ahead and open it up right here on the camera. I know this video is getting long-winded, but it's the last one, folks, so just bear with me. Nice little kit. Slide these into a wrench or into a ratchet. So yeah, these will come in really handy. I just got to figure out which ratchet they take so I can get it, because I know I ain't got that ratchet. Or you might be able to slot them into a regular ratchet. We'll find out. Next item. That ain't an item. Let's see here. Next item was the magnetic pickup tool. Part number 1124. Let's see, does it say how much weight it'll hold? Well, we'll take it out the package and try to lift something up with it. As you'll see, it's still brand new in the package. I have not taken it out the package yet.
Unboxing too.
So, unboxing also. Let's see. Will it pick up this knife? Not so much. Will it pick up the ratchet? Ooh, barely. As I can see, it's dangling. It's picking up the ratchet. So it might pick up 5 or 10 pounds. You can put this in your shirt pocket also, so you always have a magnet with you. Oh, not bad. Next item, it's in the box here. These didn't come from JDTCO, but I needed them. I got two M12 Red Lithium XC 6.0s. Milwaukee batteries for your M12 for your battery line. I got two of those. I paid like $85 on eBay for them. They do have the serial number stamped into them, so they are the legit Milwaukee batteries. So, not bad. Try to get all this stuff situated. Nothing else in that bag. Go in the garbage. Let's see here. I had the other two sets. I needed these two sets to complete what I needed. I believe that's it. Out of the box anyway. I'll just go back. I swear I had something else, so I guess not. Oh, I need those. Those need to come out of there. But one of them is the Capri inch pounds. So it's SAE 3/8 stubbies impact socket set from 5/16 all the way up to 1 inch. I do have the metric stubbies for the 3/8, and now I got the SAE. I believe this kit right here does come in its own foam tray, because my other 3/8 set came in a foam tray also. So we will find that right there. Yep. Comes in its own EV foam, as you see. So not bad at all. Actually quite cool. But not to be outdone, last time I ordered those off of Amazon, I ordered the wrong ones by mistake, so I had to come back and reorder these. This is the 1/2 inch stubby impact socket set from Capri. It is a 15-piece. They are chrome moly steel, custom heated. They are custom heated treatment. Goes from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 10 to 24 and no skips in them. Really cool set. These will come in real good and handy. If you ever got to get into those tight spaces in the engine compartment. Alright, I got some more light back there. Go ahead and re-show these again. But they'll come in handy. But that's all I got for you folks now for this one. Be right back with you. But that's all I got for you folks for this video and for this year. It's been a really good year for the channel. Looking forward to next year. Got some more videos planned. Don't know when the first one will drop next year, but this is it for this year. No more videos coming off of the channel for this year. It's time to call it quits, so to speak, for this year. But until the next series, This is the Raging Cajun saying thank y'all for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. It's easy. Just click the button, you know, down below. Click. It's either there or there or there or there or there or there. Whatever your screen looks like. Hulk smash that like button. Turn on the notifications for all of them. Until the next time, y'all keep those wheels spinning, your beavers grinning, and have a happy new year. Peace out.